Good morning! So, finally, nakapag-vlog ako using my phone. So, yung dinala ko to sa Palawan, nag-island hopping kami. And then, we're coming back from Manila, Cebu. Ay, si Zoe! Hi, Zoe! He missed me, and Sweetie is here. Ayan, so, back ayan live na tayo, guys. Ay, Zoe girl! Ito si Jerry Boy. Ay, no. No, it's okay. Oh, Jelly. Ay. Oh, look at the face. Look at the face. Ay, kiss. Kiss. So, ayan. Calm down. So, nagluto ako ng minudo. So, sobrang sa jet lag ko kahapon. Hindi na ako nakabili ng sibuyas, bawang, so nagpapasyensya na, guys. Ay, Zoe. Tapos ito, gagawa ko ng tea kay Mister. Ito, nagsinigang din ako. Yan ang ating ulam for the week. Ayan, sinigang na baboy. Ayan. Hi, Zoe. Tapos ito, mamaya ako na lang ito lutuin. Binabad ko mo lang siya. Tapos ito. Oh my God, come here. Nangihingi sila ng ulam. So, ayun, guys. So, binigyan ko sila. So, oh my God, back to work. It's now 4:57 in the morning yun. Actually, kahapon sana i-meet ko isang kaibigan kasi merong siyang pinabili. So, sabi ko, dadaling ko mamaya eh. Sabi ko kay Ricky, ay, mag-ano muna ako, higa muna ako sandali. Tapos, and after that, nakatulog ako. Pasensya na. Hindi ko nahatid yung yung pinapadala sana niya. So, mamaya ako na lang siya ihatid or pipikapin niya. So, ayun, nagluto tayo ngayon. Ayan, minudo. So, sobrang pagod, guys, is, pagbalik, nag-Taiwan kami. So, umalis kami ng Pilipinas Saturday morning. Umalis kami ng hotel ng 8 a.m. And then, nakaalis yung aeroplano namin ng 12. And then, Taiwan, Cebu to Taiwan, it's like 4 hours or mga 4 hours lang. Tapos nag-layover ng 5 hours. And after that, ang pagdating namin dito is now like 7. Pero nakakuha na kami ng namin, Uber, mga 11 na kasi. Sobrang tagal nung namin luggage. So, sa immigration, umabot kami ng 1 hour kasi maraming tao. And yung luggage, umabot kami ng 2 hours kasi sobrang tagal na ilabas yung mga namin luggage. But Taiwan is good, guys, kasi pwede ka magdala ng 2 baggage. Pwede yung isa is 23, tas may extra ka pang 23. Yun lang, struggle lang talaga pagbalik kasi lahat talaga is 2 o 3, 4 yung mga extra nilang luggage. Galante sa luggage ang Ava Air. That's good thing. But sa food, not really good. Ang food nila, I rather you have to bring something, snacks, on your bag na pwede yung kainin. Tapos manghingi lang kayo ng tubig, juice, or coffee. So, that's good. And I'm getting ready to work, guys. So, I'll see you later. Bye! Guys, I'm going to work. So, I'll see you in my next vlog. Hindi ko na dadalhin yung camera ko. Iwan ko siya kasi baka masira naman. So, I'll see you later, guys. Bye! Guys, hello, guys. Good morning. So, now we're going to work. Ayan. So, medyo nakapag-adjust na tayo konti. So, we're going to work. Yan ang aking baby dog. Bye, Zoe! Okay, my love. I'm ready. Ito yung baon natin.
Glasses.
Yes. Ito yung baon natin sa work. Ready? And beautiful weather. It's springtime. O, diba? Medyo malamig-lamig pa rin pala ngayon. Akala ko summer, spring. Spring pa ba? Summer pa ba? Oh, hindi. Summer na nga. No, spring. What's that? Now it's spring here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. That's why it's still cold.
Spring.
It's cold. Springtime. Okay, guys. So, my husband dropped me to work.
Work on the car.
Yes, my car is still broken. Yeah, I need to fix it. Yes. So ito yung bago kong trabaho. Medyo malayo-layo siya konti. It's like 30 minutes to 40 minutes drive. So, it's a beautiful day. Let's see. So, hindi pa ako tapos mag-unpack ng mga gamit ko. Because I come back. Kailan pa bumalik? Saturday. And then Sunday, may jet lag pa. And then Sunday, Monday, work agad, guys. 12 hours straight. 5 days. Oh my God. Alright. Guys, good morning. So ngayon, nagpe-prepare ako ng baon ko sa work. So magbabaon ako ng bread. At saka ng peanut butter. Ayan. Tapos kape. Ayan ang ating babaunin mamaya sa trabaho. So nagbabaon ako kasi alam mo na, para tipid. After ng mahaba-habang gastos sa Pilipinas. Okay lang yun, guys. As long we're happy, you know, yun naman importante. Na masaya tayo, and then we have spent time with my family. Ayan, si Zoe. I'm happy to see my family. Ayan, 3 weeks ako. Ayan, nagbakasyon sa Pilipinas. So far, everything is, you know, fine. Kahit medyo mahal ang gas nung time na yun. Ang gasolina talaga napakataas, guys. But, well, laban lang sa buhay, di ba? Kahit anong mangyari, wag tayo susuko. Ayan, Zoe! Oh my God! Oh my God! She wants to see the vlog. She wants to tell my mommy, starve me to death for 1 month. No! Hindi ko na kain. Walang mama ng 1 month. Kawawang bata. I'll see you later, guys. I'm getting ready to work. Yeah. Hi vlog! Good evening! Ayan, katapos ko lang maglinis ng bahay. Finally, ayan, nakapag-mop na tayo ng floor, nakapag-dusting, at naampak ko na yung aking maleta after 1 week na since umuwi kami galing Pilipinas. Ito ang aking sweetie girl! Sweetie girl! So, ayun, medyo mula ng jet lag, konti na lang. And then, I'm just keeping up yun. Sobrang dami ko panilinisan, tutupi. Hindi pa ako tapos magtupi. And then, ito, nag-edit ako ng vlog. For like last year pa, guys. So ganun ka-busy yung natin life. So, I just come back and then work agad. Ayan. Oh my God, guys. Namimiss ko ang Pilipinas, but it's okay. It's okay. I have nothing to complain, di ba? I'm so grateful na nakabalik tayo dito ng ligtas, ng mapayapa, and I have so many good memory with my family and friends in Philippines. Siyempre, kung ako, mas gusto ko talaga mag-stay ng Pilipinas. But, you know, our life is here. We need to, you know, kailangan na natin tanggapin. But it's okay, guys, diba? Maganda naman yung buhay natin dito. Hindi naman mahirap. Mahirap, minsan, but you have to keep going and keep fighting. So, that's all about vlog, guys. Talagang ngayon pala ako nakapag-adjust. So, I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!